So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a blog with Duda website. Now the first thing you want to do is to open up your web version of Duda. Now on here, once you go to your website builder, you can see on the left your theme, layer, pages, widgets, media, content, personalize, sell online, blog, app store, SEO and settings, and learn. Now on here you can go to pages. Once you've clicked on pages, you can add a page. You can also create some pop-ups on this part of the website builder. Now through here, I suggest you click on add a page. You can see page builder, blank page, design page, dynamic navigation folder, page URL. You can just go to a page builder. And from there, you can see a new page. You can generate a page layout. You can see services, steps, about, stats, logos. You can see there's really a lot of different versions of that page. So you can even create a page for FAQs. But what you want to create is actually a blog. So let's call it that. And you can see here blog 1. So through there, you can just add this page to site. You can just create it. And you can go to your editor and then just start creating your blog through here. But really, they give you a lot of different versions of that page through the editor. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Duda website or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.